Hey guys, welcome back to Talking eBay, and I have a lesson to teach you today. So what happened to me is I was selling these cell phone cases, and people sell cell phone cases all the time, and I thought it was not a problem. So these are the two cell phone cases that I have. I got them directly from the company, was no issues. So when I did a listing on one of these, I went to the website, the company's website directly, and used some of the images to help promote the listing. And I had a violation of Vero. And what that basically means is that it was taken down because they did not have permission to use specific language in one of those images that the company actually probably used illegally or whatever, and they put it on their site. So I took that image off their site thinking that it was okay to use, and it was not. So I did get a Vero, and you really very difficult. You can't get those removed, but it is a lesson learned, and I want to teach you this lesson. So if you have any kind of item and you're trying to take images off other people's sites or the website themselves, make sure that you're using the proper image that is not an issue with the Vero or copywritten or anything else, because if they take it down, you can't. That's just a violation against you, and you don't want too many violations. So this is a teachable moment. I reached out to eBay, talked to a couple different people directly for a long period of time. They got back to me and gave me the details. A lot of times they don't do that, and I really push and push and push and say, "What is this? I need a teachable moment so I can teach you what not to do." So do not, and I repeat, do not use other images from other people's website. Only use what you have. That's my lesson I learned. And I've been doing this 26 years and I'm still learning lessons. So if you have this image, just use this image. If you have this cell phone case, I'm just taking this phone and this image and that's it. Because this is exactly what this is. There is no discrepancy. There is no gray area. This is this. So that's a quick video I just wanted to make for you right now. So if you're new to my channel on Talking eBay, definitely subscribe to the channel. I teach all types of different information, technology, and just to help you grow on eBay. And so check out all the videos on the channel. And if you have any questions or any comments, leave down below. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We do all types of different content, learning all kinds of different things. And also check out the podcast, Talking eBay. So this is what I have here, the teachable moment. So do not take images off other people's site. Even the manufacturer of this phone, it was on their site and they weren't allowed to use it, but they don't care. So you have to care because you're selling on eBay and eBay cares. And that's just the rule. And that is a lesson of the day. So I hope it brought you some value, some education, and most importantly, a lesson learned. Don't do it. All right, guys, appreciate it as always. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you at the next Talking eBay.